Hey guys, it's Dave from AllBrand Caravan Services, and here today I'm working on this Jayco Expanda behind me. The customer brought the van into us wanting an aftermarket toolbox fitted to the front of the van. So therefore we need to remove the gas bottles, remove the spare tyre, cutting off all mounts. Then we'll locate the box into the correct position, bolt it all down, relocate the gas bottles into the toolbox itself, and then therefore utilising a lot more space on the drawbar, having a fridge slide on one side and the gas on the other.